Good afternoon, children. How are you all? Hope all are fine. Now, in live class, I have seen you are doing well. All children are doing well nowadays. Today, in maths, we will do revision of chapter number 30, money. As we know, previously also we have learned about money chapter, that money is such an important thing which is needed for all of us, because without money we cannot buy anything. Okay, so money is needed, and for that your parents are working hard. So how to count money? Indian money are consist of two terms. One is rupee, one is paise. Okay, and 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee, that we have learned. Based on that, we will do some activity, some exercise, so that you can revise once again this chapter. And many information in the live class we have learned in Indian currency, many information like portrait of Mahatma Gandhi, like value of money, like different languages, like bank name, note number, many things we have learned. So let us start. Through exercise and activity we will revise this money chapter once again. Okay, let's start. Here it is given that importance of money. We have to write about importance of money. Money is needed for all of us for getting or buying some daily needs things, and whatever we needed, we need money. Okay, so we will write, we need money to buy things. We need money to buy things. Now, Indian money or currency of money is consist of rupees and paise. So, Indian money, you can write here, Indian money consists of rupees and paise. Consist of rupees and paise, that we have learned. We use for rupees, we write or we use or we write, we write. In a box we will write this symbol. You have learned this symbol for rupees and this symbol for paise. Okay, for rupee and this symbol for paise. This you can draw, no need to add as here. Okay, this symbol for paise. Now this is about money, importance of money we have written. Now below some exercises we have given. This will help you to count the money. Okay, write a short form. Now short form is such, in the number name you have learned short form. Write the number name, given number or digit, whatever given, spelling you are writing. Here also we will show how to write. In live class I have discussed this. 5 rupee and 50 paise. As I show you here, point. This point, the previous point, whatever rupee will be there, that we will write, and after this point, whatever paise are there, that we will write. That means in the middle point will be there, and before the point rupees part, after the point paise part. Here 5 rupees and 50 paise. So 5 rupees will go before the point and 50 paise will go after the point. That means when you read this, 5 rupees 50 paise. This is the short form. Here spelling is given, we are writing the short form. Okay, same way 74 rupees and 9 paise. We will put point here. Yes, 74 rupee, that one, so we write 74 here, and 9 paise. See here, this is 1 square, this is 10 from here, and 25 paise. After this point, 25 paise. Clear? Now 18 rupees 90 paise, same way. Point 18 rupees 18 and 90 paise will be after the point. 18 rupees 90 paise. Same way with here. 15 rupees 1525 paise. As we have learned, 100 paisa make 1 rupee. That means 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. Here 1000 paises are there plus 1000 paises are there. See here, I am breaking it. 1000 paise plus 500 paise makes 1500 plus 25. Isn't it? So 1500 paise means 1000 paise means 10 rupee plus 500 paise means 5 rupees. So 10 plus 5 is equal to 15 rupees. 15 rupees. And this 25 is separate, that is paise. 15 rupees 25 paise. How to break that I have shown you here. Here if you count how many paises are there. 1000 paise means 10 rupees plus 500 paise means 5 rupees. So 10 plus 5 15 rupees and 25 is left, that is paise. So before point 15 rupee, after point 25 paise. Clear? This way you have to break and you have to write. This all will be helpful for you in the next class. So we are doing practice here so that in the next class also you can do very nicely. Now next part of this exercise is convert into rupees. As I told you, 100 paisa is equal to 1 rupee. That we have to keep in mind always. Like table you are remembering this way. This you have to keep in mind always. 100 paisa is equal to 1 rupee. See here, 100 paisa is equal to, convert into rupee. That means answer should be in rupee. You have to put everywhere rupee sign. This is rupee sign. 100 paisa is equal to 1 rupee. 800 paisa is equal to, if 100 paisa is equal to 1 rupee, 800 paisa is equal to 8 rupee. So we write here 8 rupee. 1000 paisa. Here we have done 1000 paisa. If 100 paisa is equal to 1 rupee, 1000 paisa is equal to 10 rupee. Very easy. Okay. Now 2075 paisa is equal to, if 1000 paisa is equal to 10 rupee, 2000 paisa is equal to 20 rupee plus 75 paisa. So we write here 720 rupee 75 paisa. Okay, we mark here. Point we have given rupee 20.75. Same way here 150 paisa. Now 100 paisa is equal to 1 rupee and then 50 paisa. So we write here rupee 1, then point 50 paisa. Short form we are using. See here, short form. Okay. Now 1950. Here paisa is given. We have to write in rupee. Once again 1000 paisa plus 900 paisa. 19 rupees. 1000 paisa means 10 rupee. 900 paisa means 9 rupee. 10 plus 9 is equal to 19 rupees. Then 50 is separate, that is paisa. So rupee 19.50 paisa. So this way we have to write paisa and rupee. How to find out I have shown you. This method if you follow you can find it out very easily. So for that you have to do practice, because if you don't do practice, whenever you go to shopping area, the calculation part, while making the bill, calculating the bill, verifying the bill, you have to face difficulty. So do practice that how to convert paisa to rupee, rupee to paisa. Okay? This is time for you to revising all these chapters which are useful for your next class also. So please do practice, and if you face any difficulty, you can ask me in the live class. Clear?